So what you want to pay attention to is where the fruit connects to the vine, and right at that node there's a tendril and there's a little leaf. I think they call it a spoon leaf. And some people like to go by how dry the tendril gets, but over the last couple of years I've really paid attention more to how dry the spoon leaf gets, and found that when this thing is completely dried down is the best time to harvest the melon. You'll also notice many times the color of the ground spot will change. This one doesn't have much of a ground spot, but generally it'll color up to a really nice golden color, which will also indicate that it's ready to go.
So this guy is not ready.
The spoon leaf was dried up and it just fell off, and the tendril is partially dry. So that's a good sign. And you roll over and look at the ground spot, and it's turning kind of a golden color. We've got some bugs chewing on it from below. So let's give this one a shot. That looks just about perfect. You can also kind of tell where it's at by how the flesh recedes from the seed cavity. So the flesh has pulled back from the seed a little bit, and so this one might be actually like 1 or 2 days past, but it'll still be good. I think it's still pretty crispy. That's pretty good.